Hey family, welcome back to the channel. As you've seen in the title, I'll be doing a healthy hair or hair growth challenge for 2022. I hope you enjoy this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I look forward to your questions and comments. For my first recipe, I'll be using fenugreek seeds, kalonji or black nigella or black seeds, and whole cloves. You can get this at your local grocery store, especially an Indian spice store or an Amazon. In one bowl, I'll add my cloves and black nigella, and in a separate bowl, I'll put my fenugreek seeds. Next, I have my water, bring to a boil, then I'll add my black nigella and clove, boil for 5 minutes, and then add my fenugreek and boil for another 5 minutes. Okay guys, in the meantime, let's go ahead and prepare our amla. So this amla fruit, the other name for it is gooseberry, and I got the frozen one in the grocery store. So I'm gonna infuse my gooseberry or amla in my coconut oil. Now let's add our fenugreek and finish this wonderful solution. Look at the color. I'm gonna stir and make sure all my seeds are covered with the water. And back to our amla. So I'm gonna cut in smaller pieces and remove the seeds, and then further cut it in my food processor. Or you can go ahead and grate it, but I think it's easier to do in the food processor. Later on in the video, I'll tell you why I went ahead and did this method instead of just going ahead and buying the amla oil. Look at that color, guys. I'm so excited to see what it's gonna look like in the morning. So it's time to turn this off and let it cool overnight, and then go ahead and prepare our amla infused coconut oil. So I have my pot already preheated, and that's our fractionated coconut oil. I'm adding it to my pot. I might have made it a little bit too hot. My intention was never to do deep fried amla. So next time I'll use a double pot method, because I don't think I want to go ahead and invest in a double broiler. I might change my mind later, but definitely not now. So what I'm doing here is continuously stirring my amla, because I do not want it to be sticking to the bottom. This is the gooseberry packet, guys. So I'm gonna be stirring for the entire 4 to 5 minutes. You do not want to keep it on the fire for more than 5 minutes, because that's just gonna kill the nutrients in your oil. So this is what we got the next morning. Clearly I should have added more water to my seeds, so lesson learned for next time. So here's what I'm gonna do. This is my reusable baby wipes. I'm gonna use this to strain my seeds, then I'll return the seeds to the pot, add some more water, and boil again. Then that solution I'll use as a pre-poo for my next wash day. Tell me what you think about that in the comments. What would you do? It's my first time, so lesson learned. So whenever I make again, I'll make sure to add some more water. And this is how it looks. I'll go ahead and transfer this to my spray bottle. Okay, this should be enough to share for me and my daughter. Now it's time to go ahead and strain our coconut oil infused amla or amla infused coconut oil, whichever it works. So I'm gonna use the strainer at first, but as you can see, there's some sediments in the bottom of the bowl. So I'm gonna go ahead with a new reusable wipes and strain my oil. If you have cheesecloth, then that's fine, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm gonna use. And this is what it looks like, guys. Our homemade amla oil. I'll tell you why I didn't just go ahead and get an amla oil from the store. Guys, now it's time to see if these are really gonna work. I should be able to see some immediate results, and I'm gonna mention it if it happened, okay? So this is what I'm gonna be using for wash day. Absolutely no shampoo or conditioner. It's gonna be baking soda and apple cider vinegar. Let me know in the comments if you've ever done this before, how it worked for you, any advice or tips you'd like to give. This is how I'm gonna do it today. I'll go ahead and add my baking soda to my jar. Then to dissolve it, I'll go ahead and add some hot water from my tap and cool it down with cool tap water. Now this is my daughter's hair, her 4C hair. I'm only gonna be showing hers today because mine is an embarrassment, so I will not be doing that today. Next video will both be in it, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I use this on her hair. Her hair is so dry, so I wanted to show you. I hope you could be able to see it well on the camera, but her hair is super dry. So this is what I do. I add the solution and massage her hair really well. Afterwards, I rinse it once with just water. Then I'll go ahead and use my apple cider vinegar mixed with the water. You want to make sure you get that apple cider vinegar with the mother in it, because it has all the nutrients. It means it went through less processing than your regular apple cider without the mother, or even your white vinegar. And this is how the solution looks. You can make it richer or weaker. It just depends on for your hair, okay? I don't want to jump in and give a product a bad review, but before you buy stuff for your hair, make sure you read and don't make the same mistake I made. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!